aware, from July to November, all taxpayers are busy preparing and uploading returns, especially those who are liable for the tax audits. Are you aware of the easy process of filing Form 3CD reports with the interlinked calculation facility? You know that tasks of compliances are more detailed and time consuming when a tax audit is involved. Hello everyone, I am Saloni from Webtel. Tax audit report is the detailed version of your books of accounts, and in this video I am going to discuss with you the easy preparation of a tax audit report and return on a one page. So stay tuned, and before starting this video I would like to request you to subscribe to our YouTube channel Webtel Electrosoft to get regular compliance updates. Let's talk about the applicability and why it is required. For this I am taking you to my screen. Now let's talk about the tax audit report. What does a tax audit report means? Basically, a tax audit report is related to an official inspection of your books of accounts as per the Income Tax Act 1961 under section 44AB as applicable. A tax audit report is an examination or review of an organization or individual accounts of any business or profession carried out by the taxpayers to verify that the financial information is being reported correctly. And it is necessary for the individual or business entities if their business turnover or gross receipt exceeds from a specific limit as per the section 44AB, then they need to file a tax audit report. It is different from a statutory audit because if we talk about statutory audit, it is a complete audit of your accounting records. However, tax audit is the audit of tax related transactions like allowed and disallowed expenses, depreciation, profit and loss account, etc. Now let's talk about the threshold limit of tax audit. So if you are a assessee and having the income from the business, and if the sales or turnover or gross receipts exceed rupees 1 crore, then you are liable to file a tax audit report. Another criteria is there, business with two conditions are fulfilled as per the specified limits. So if you are a assessee and having the business, and first condition is there, if the receipt in cash does not exceed 5% of all your receipts, and the second condition is if the payment in cash does not exceed 5% of all the payments, then the turnover exceeds rupees 10 crore, then also you are liable to file the tax audit report. And if you are in a profession and if the professional gross receipt amount exceeds rupees 50 lakh, then you are liable to file a tax audit report. Another criteria are also there for the filing of your tax audit. If your businesses are covered under section 44AD, 44ADA or 44AE, which is related to the presumptive taxation, but if the person claims that the profit and gains from the business are lower than the profit and gains computed in accordance with the provision of section 44AD, then also you are liable to file a tax audit report. And if you are going to file the tax audit report, the person carries business or profession and required or under any law or other than Income Tax Act need to get his accounts audited, then they need to file a form 3CD as a tax audit report, and annexure would be filed a form 3CA. And if the person not being a person as referred above, then they also need to file a form 3CD, but annexure file would be a form 3CB. And the due date of the filing the return would be from assessment year 2020, 1 month prior to the due date of furnishing return of income under section 139(1) would be the due date of filing of your tax audit report. And if you are not going to file the tax audit report on the time, then a penalty would be charged. So if you haven't filed your tax audit report, then an amount of 1,50,000 rupees or 0.5% of your turnover, whichever is higher, would be charged as a penalty of not filing your tax audit report as per the Income Tax Act. Few exemptions are given as per the section 273B. If there is a genuine reason for the delay or non-filing of your tax audit report, then there would be no penalty for the filing of your tax audit report after the due date. So this is the brief introduction of your tax audit report. And for the filing of the tax audit report, let's move to our WebTax software for better understanding how to file a Form 3CD through WebTax. This is our WebTax software through which you will be able to file the Form 3CD report. And for the filing of Form 3CD report through WebTax, you just need to go to the Form 3CD option, and after that you will be able to see few drop down options which are related to the Form 3CD. And then you need to click on Form 3CD option, and after that you will be able to see a Form 3CD screen as per the section 44AB. So you need to fill the details over here which are related to the filing of your Form 3CD, or you can say the tax audit report as per the section 44AB. So in the main page you will be able to see the details of your assessee, like name of your assessee, address details which has been imported through your master data. And then you need to enter the post office name, district and the locality from the drop down list. And the name of your locality, district, post office name will be reflecting as per the selection of your PIN code in the assessee master. And in case if you want to make any changes, then you can click on change name and address option, and then you can edit the name or address detail of your assessee, and then you can click on save button and your data will be changed. Another options, or you can say another clauses which are related to the Form 3CD, like here you need to select the section 44AB applicability while you are filing the audit report as per the section 44AB from the given list. So you need to select the options, and then you can move to the next page by clicking on the clauses. And few details can be imported through your master data, like in case if you want to import the data or you want to import the nature of your business or profession, then you need to click on import data from master, and the name or nature of your business or profession will reflect automatically from your assessee master. Similarly, you can fill the other details over here, like if you want to import the details or address detail, then you can go to the get address from the master, and your address detail will be imported through your master data over here. And in case if you want to import the data, or few details can be imported through Form 3CD in the relevant schedules of your Form 3CD. Like if you have entered the details of ICDS, then your data will be reflecting in your schedule BP. And to import the data or to enter the data in the bulk, you can export the Excel templates. Excel templates are given in each and every clauses. So you can import the data in the bulk by clicking on export to Excel, and then you can click on import from the Excel tab to import the data which has been entered by you in the Excel templates. Similarly, you can fill the other clauses data over here, like if you want to enter the data which is related to your depreciation, then also you can import the data through Excel template. You can export the Excel template from this option, and then you can import the data through this Excel template in bulk. So this would be a process of your filing the Form 3CD. And in case if you want to import the data from the previous year in the Form 3CD, then you can import the data from the previous year in Form 3CD also. In case you are having the data in the JSN file or XML file for the previous years, then you can import the data through JSN file and XML file also. And if you want to take out the printout of your Form 3CD report, then you can click on print option, Form 3CA or 3CP. Then you need to select, and here you will be able to see a report like this. So you can print the Form 3CD report by clicking on the print tab. after clicking on generate JSN, a message will appear or another screen will appear to enter the details. Like you can enter the additional information for your form 3CD, like the observation comments you can enter over here. In case if you want to import the data through previous year, then you can click on previous year data import button and your data will be imported to previous year, and then you can click on save button and your data will be saved over here. After that you need to click on generate JSN 3CB, and in case if you want to assign the CA, then you can click on yes, otherwise you can click on no, and then you can select the location to save your JSN file. After the selection of your location, click on save button and your JSON file will be saved. So this would be a process of filing the data, or you can say filling the data of your form 3CD. And as per the data entered by you, few details can be entered or few details can be imported in the computation as per the schedules. Like if we talk about the income from non-speculative business, then the data at page number 2 will be reflecting from your form 3CD. So you can say the data which has been entered by you in the form 3CD will be reflecting in the schedule BP of your computation. So this would be a process of filing your form 3CD through Webtel. I hope by now it will feel easier to prepare a tax audit return with ITR by using compliance intelligence. Share this video with your colleagues, friends and seniors who are spending a stressful time finalizing the tax audit and return within a limited time period. If you want to know more about the tax return filing and our WebTax solution, which I just used to prepare a return, then visit the link mentioned in the description below and let us know in the comment section if you have any doubts. Give a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you found this video helpful. Next Tuesday, we will be coming up with another interesting video to make compliances better for you. Till then, stay safe and stay tuned with us for a better compliance journey.